Hey guys, welcome to Mixed Eats World. So today, I'm gonna show you how to make super easy egg fried rice. So the key here is to prepare the ingredients first. So we're gonna start off with chopping our garlic. Next is red onion. You can also use white onions, but for me, the red ones taste better for this recipe. So now let's chop our green onions. So we also need 3 eggs here. I'm using this key soy sauce, but you can use whatever soy sauce you have at home. Next is black pepper and also MSG. This is optional, but I like to use it now because of Uncle Roger. Next is vegetable oil, sugar, and of course our rice. So this is a rice I did make yesterday. We don't like freshly cooked rice here, guys, so please make sure to use leftover rice. Now, let's season our wok first. Put about 2 tablespoons of peanut oil. So when you already see some smoke here, let's throw the oil. So put about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Next is our onion. Alright, now we're adding our garlic. Just mix. Then, we're adding our eggs. Cooking is really about timing, guys, so feel if it's okay already. Then we add our pepper. Now time for our rice. So now, we're adding our trusty tea. So guys, this is what I like to use, but you can use whatever you have at home, either the dark soy sauce or the light soy sauce or whatever soy sauce you have there. Now, we're adding our sugar. Adding pepper again. So at this point, your grains should be beautifully coated already with the oil, the soy sauce, Now we're adding a little bit of MSG. Whoa guys, this smells so good. Adding our sesame oil. Lastly, our chopped green onions. So there you have it guys, my very easy egg fried rice.